What if it told you that eating 2 boiled eggs every day could be the simplest yet most effective change you can make to your diet this year? Consuming just 2 boiled eggs daily can boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals by over 30%. Yes, you heard that right, just 2 eggs a day can significantly enrich your diet, supporting everything from brain health to muscle recovery. So can't these small powerhouses really boost your health in big ways? By the end of this video, we'll crack open the truth about the mighty benefits of boiled eggs and how they can transform your wellness journey. Let's start by dissecting what exactly is packed inside the simple boiled eggs that makes them such a nutritional powerhouse. First off, the protein content. 1 boiled egg contains about 6 g of high-quality protein, which means it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair tissues and build muscle. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their workout results or simply maintain a healthy body. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Eggs are also rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals that play crucial roles in our health. They're a great source of vitamin D, which is vital for bone health and immune function. Not getting enough vitamin D can lead to a host of health issues, including osteoporosis. And then there's choline, a nutrient that's especially important for brain health. Choline aids in brain development and function and can even improve your memory. Most people don't get enough choline in their diets, but just 2 eggs a day can provide about half of your recommended daily intake. Plus, you'll find vitamin B12 essential for energy production, and C, creating DNA biotin, which is great for your skin and hair, and selenium, an antioxidant that helps prevent cell damage. Now that we understand the nutritional makeup of boiled eggs, let's explore how eating 2 of these each day can transform your health. First, let's talk energy. Thanks to their high-quality protein, boiled eggs provide sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike simple carbs that spike your blood sugar and crash soon after, the protein in eggs helps maintain stable blood glucose levels, keeping your energy steady. This makes eggs an excellent fast choice or a post-workout snack to help recover and rebuild muscle without the energy slump that comes with less balanced options. Next up, healthy health. While eggs have been controversial in the past due to cholesterol content, recent studies show that for most people, eggs actually improve the cholesterol profile by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. And we'll discuss more about this myth later on anyway. How do eggs impact your cardiovascular health? Studies have shown that eggs significantly strengthen your skeletal muscles. This significantly impacts overall health. A role of 10 recognized primarily for its effect on body composition, improving skeletal muscle health, enhances insulin sensitivity and physical functionality, and it also reduces the risks associated with prehypertension and hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis, and all-cause mortality. They can also help reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your intestines, thanks to the phospholipids present in the eggs. Also contain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce levels of triglycerides in the blood, further promoting heart health. Let's not overlook weight management. Eggs have a secret weapon for anyone looking to manage their weights. Thanks to their high protein content, eggs keep you fuller longer, reducing the urge to snack and helping you consume fewer calories throughout the day. This steady effect, combined with the thermogenic action of protein, meaning it actually takes more calories to digest protein than carbs, helps boost your metabolism. Given that a significant 73.1% of adults are considered overweight or obese, it's crucial to focus on high-quality protein sources that are not overly caloric. Eggs, which are moderate in calories at 72 per large EG and contain 6.3 g of high-quality protein, help promote makes eggs a practical and economical option for meeting protein requirements, especially important for athletes aiming to optimize protein efficiency in their diets. Eggs are also a prime source of essential vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining for all health regular consumption. Iron helps maintain adequate vitamin levels, which can protect against various diseases and improve mood and cognitive function. Another incredible benefit is their contribution to eye health. Eggs contain zeaxanthin antioxidants that are found in the eye retina. These nutrients help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 major causes of vision impairment and blindness in older adults. Now let's consider skin health. Eggs are rich in proteins and contain biotin, B vitamin that is essential for healthy hair skin. Nails biotin helps protect skin from acne, fungal infections, and rashes. Furthermore, the high-quality protein in eggs not only supports muscle repair and growth, but also aids in hormone and enzyme production. This makes eggs particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone engaged in regular physical activity, as they help repair and build muscle tissue and support metabolic health. Take a look at this study that the potential benefits of whole eggs for muscle mass may extend beyond their protein content. About 40% of an egg's total protein is in they all, which also contains various non-protein nutrients potentially beneficial for muscle growth, such as macronutrients, vitamins, minerals, lipids, phosphatic acid, and other phospholipid studies, indicate that consuming whole eggs can lead to greater myofibrillar protein, synthesized in young men compared to just the whites. Lastly, for those concerned about blood sugar levels, eggs are a low carbohydrate food that can help control and stabilize blood glucose levels. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. So you're convinced about the benefits of boiled eggs and want to start adding them into your daily routine. Great, let's talk about how to make the most of them in your diet. First off, timing boiled eggs are incredibly versatile when it comes to when you can eat. Them having 1 or 2 at breakfast is a fantastic way to start your day with a protein boost that keeps you satiated until lunch, but don't stop there. Their eggs are also ideal as a pre-workout snack, providing essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and recovery, or try them post-workout to replenish your energy stores. Now, if you think boiled eggs are boring, think again. There are countless ways to spice them up. Slice them over a fresh salad for a hearty lunch, or cop them into a sandwich for a satisfying protein-packed meal. Get creative, make devd eggs with a twist by adding avocado or add a chaf hot sauce for some kick. Or how about stirring chopped boiled eggs into a bowl of warm ramen for an extra layer of texture and flavor? Choosing the right eggs is just as important as show you eat them. Opt for organic or free-range eggs whenever possible. These eggs come from chickens that have been given quality feed and better living conditions, which can affect the nutrient content and taste of the eggs. Look for labels like organic, free-range, or pasture-raised. Not only are these options healthier, but they also support more humane, sustainable farming practices. Eggs have often been at the center of dietary debates today. We're going to crack some of those myths and address common concerns, so you can enjoy your eggs with peace of mind. One of the biggest myths is that eggs, because they contain cholesterol, are bad for your heart. It's true that eggs do have cholesterol, but what's fascinating is how they actually affect your body. Unlike many other foods that are high in unhealthy fats, the cholesterol in eggs doesn't seem to raise cholesterol levels the way other fats do. In fact, studies show that for most people, eggs can actually improve your cholesterol profile by increasing levels of HDL or good cholesterol, which can help protect against the heart diseases. Unless you have a specific condition like diabetes or a family history of high cholesterol, enjoying an egg or two a day isn't just safe, it's beneficial. However, it's important to remember that eggs are just one part of a balanced diet. Like any food, they should be consumed in moderation, especially if you have certain dietary restrictions or health conditions that require you to limit your intake of fats or cholesterol. And while eggs are packed with nutrients, they can cause allergies in some people, particularly infants and children. If I or someone in you family has an egg allergy, it's important to find alternative sources of the nutrients that eggs provide. Another common myth is that brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. The color of the egg shell is determined purely by the breed of the hen and has nothing to do with the nutritional content, quality, or flavor. Whether brown or white, the nutritional value of the egg is the same, so feel free to choose based on preference or price rather than perceived health benefits. Now let's address the idea that eating eggs daily can be harmful. This myth likely stems from outdated views on cholesterol. Eating eggs every day is actually a great way to provide your body with numerous nutrients. However, as with all foods, balance and moderation are key. If you have a specific health condition like mentioned earlier, consult with a healthcare provider. It's also worth mentioning that some believe raw eggs are more nutritious than cooked ones, while raw eggs retain all their nutrients. Cooking them actually makes certain proteins easier for your body to absorb. Plus, cooking reduces the risk of salmonella, making boiled or cooked egg it's the safer and healthier choice. Lastly, a common misconception is that eggs are only good for breakfast. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways throughout the day, from a protein boost in a lunch salad to a satisfying addition to your dinner. It's clear that these eggs are more than just a protein snack. They're a compact and natural multivitamin, so next time you pass by the eggs in the grocery store, think about the incredible benefits they could be adding to your diet. But it doesn't stop. You should always capitalize your diet with a wide array of protein-rich foods along with training. If you're serious about making progress, then be sure to take a look at this video.